You've probably dealt with tons of problems sniping new coins. And it's not easy finding good coins and narratives. But on this site, you'll find the best Memesniper with everything you need. Comes with multiple features to track and verify your wins. To start sniping, click the button. Connecting your wallet lets the bot buy, sell, and track your trades in real time. Supports multiple wallets, and for mobile users, any mobile wallet works. Always scan the QR code to connect the sniper. It will never ask for your password. Also, make sure to join the Discord community so you don't miss any opportunity to win better plans. Make sure to like and subscribe.